good people? Welcome back to Ballards Side. Listen, we are outside in the garden. We're checking on things. And what was that? And my baby Goofy. But anyway, we're checking on things. And so we're here to give you a look into what we have. Everything is growing and it's looking good. So let's take a look. Okay. So my tomatoes are growing, y'all. These came from seed, so I don't know how grass is getting through these grow bags, y'all. I really don't, but that's okay. But anywho, so of course these are still little, but they're coming along. But y'all, look how we got some tomatoes on there. All right, and this one, these are all tomatoes in this bed here. Oh, it's some little baby ones. If y'all can see them right here. I don't know what plant this is. What is this? These are husky red cherry tomatoes. And yes, I'm picking out grass. But anyway, so we have a few on there. Let's see. Is there any? I see blossoms. I see little flowers, but I don't see any tomatoes on here yet. Okay. These are growing up. They're doing good from seed. Okay. And again, we got these seeds from Homestead Heart. Anything on this one? No, I just see little blooms so far. Anything on here? Let's see. No, okay, so they're all flowering, but these two, this one and that one, have tomatoes on it. So I see peppers over there. These are blueberries. Are they trying to? Some of this is dying off. We'll get that out of there. Y'all, these are potatoes and they're looking really good. These are red potatoes. Then those are russet potatoes. I planted 2 seeds in there and they both are growing. That's honeydew melon. Now we had some Keystone bell pepper seeds in here and they don't look like they're doing nothing. So I remember you guys, I showed you on the first one our cucumber, Boston pickling cucumbers, and this plant was so little and look what it's doing now. It has really grown, and if you look close, I don't know if you can tell on the video, but we have some little cucumbers coming on. So I'm excited about that. I don't know if you can tell or not. Where you at, little hummingbirds? We ain't seen no hummingbirds this year yet. Okay. So over here, this blueberry plant is about 2 years old now. And you can see the difference in this one, how tall it is, how big it's gotten, versus that one right there behind the bug. So that's the difference of 2 years. This versus that little one. Okay. Now go cut that pepper off over there. You see it turn brown?
No.
Right there.
Oh yeah, I see. Excuse me.
You can go get that off. Now the okra look like it's doing good, but this okra plant,
What you want me to do with it?
let me see. Now, y'all, why did that turn brown? I don't know. Is that blossom end rot or whatever they call that? I don't know. So, anyway, again, the okra didn't come up in this one. Not sure why. But what I'll probably do is just take one from this bag and put it over here and let it continue to grow. Banana peppers are finally coming up in that one. However, it's not doing anything in this one. Hey baby, go pick the grass around that flower bed thing. You see the grass over there?
Mm-hmm.
Pick pick that grass for mommy, please.
There you
Thanks.
go.
We got a pepper coming over there. What is that? A serrano? I think this is like stevia or something. Alright, there is a bell pepper plant over here as well. The strawberries. The rabbit came, y'all, so it kind of ate all the strawberries, but...
How you get in there?
Well, I'm talking about before Daddy put up the chicken wire. So, bell pepper. Let me see if y'all can get you a good look. There we go. So we got some good bell peppers on here. Okay. And we have a couple coming, look like, on that one. Let's see what's over here. Alright. So we have some, what is that? What kind of pepper is that? There's some peppers on here. And what is this? This is a bell pepper too, but there's nothing on it. What is this? Jalapeno. I don't know if y'all have ever heard of jalapeno, but I wanted to try it. Nothing's on here yet though. Okay, so just an update, y'all. These are gherkins. I forgot, West Indian gherkins or something like that. So they did finally sprout. Happy about that. So we'll see what they do. And anyway, this was just an update on the garden. It's coming along and I'm happy about it. Just a few weeks and it's looking pretty good. So we're gonna have to plant some more stuff. Let you guys see this. Isn't she pretty? So lovely. She's pretty. Okay. And we got some marigolds in there and a couple of other flowers, and that's just to draw bees for pollination on some of this stuff. But yeah, so super happy it's doing well. We'll give you guys another update later when we start harvesting things or when stuff starts growing a bit more. All right, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Love y'all big. Bye.
This ain't brown, it's black.